Okay, for 867, they're saying that this girl lit a candle, and she notices that every 30 minutes it gets 1 inch shorter. So A says, is the association between the time the candle is lit, right, time the candle is lit, and the height, positive or negative? So remember, positive would mean as the time it's lit increases, the height would increase. And negative means as the time the candle's lit increases, the height would decrease. And clearly the height of the candle decreases as the time it's lit increases. So A would clearly be a negative correlation, right? Okay, and B says, in how many hours will the candle burn out? Support your answer with a reason. So, I don't know, we could set up a proportion, right? This is B, right? So, it gets 1 inch shorter, 1 inch shorter every 30 minutes, and I'll just change that into hours, right? So half an hour. And again, that's not a valid fraction, but it's okay for a proportion. And then we want to find out, when the candle burns out, and I'm assuming they mean that the candle is completely gone. So how long it will take for 12 inches, right? And this is the unknown x. So in the numerator, right, we went from 1 to 12 by multiplying by 12. So that means we have to do the same in the denominator, right? And a half times 12 gives us 6. So this means that for B, it would take 6 hours for the candle to disappear or burn out.